Sorry about the abrupt end to the last video. It cut me off. So what I was going to say is, so since we have the if statement here, and if we want to put code down here, so let's say we wanted to do, let's just pop up another message box. So, but let's pretend this is your mortgage calculation and this other message box is actually you attempting to calculate. If I run this and I don't put a number in here, it's going to execute this error, and then it's still going to keep going and execute the rest of the code. The way you stop that is to use a return statement. Now, we've used a return statement before in when we've been creating methods where we would return a string or we return an integer value or something. If you just use the keyword return and put a semicolon after it, what this is going to do is this is going to stop this method from executing. It's going to return out of this method. So it's going to go from inside the scope of this method to whatever called this method. And since we're returning a void, we can use return with nothing there, and it's not going to cause any problems. So now if I run the form, you'll see if I don't put in a number there, it's going to give me my error message, but it's not going to pop up that next message box. If I do put in a number, it gives me the message box. So that would be simulating actually running code that you want to use to calculate. If you don't put that return block in there, what's going to happen is you're just going to execute the code anyway. Your try parse isn't going to do any good, and you're going to end up with a massive error. So don't do that. Add the return statement in there. I believe that is all you're going to need for the assignment this week. If you have any other questions, feel free to shoot me an email, or also if you're really stuck, post your code in the assignment and let me know that you're really stuck. I'll be happy to take a look at it for you and give you some pointers. Other than that, have a good week.